Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video we are going to learn how we can just block someone on Printex app. So for that we have to just basically go to the Printex app over here, and once we are over here we have to just click on the search option. You can see over here in the right hand side bottom, and in search option you have to just search for the person which you want to just block, or you can just select a random from over here. Like I'm just going to select a random person. You have to click on that, and from over here you have to just go to their profile by clicking on that, and after just coming to their profile you have to click on three dots over here, and you can see over here like there's an option for a block. You have to just click on that, and that particular person will be just blocked from your account. In order to report a user of the spam, you have to just click on report. In this way you can just report or block the person on Printex app. So that's all for this video. I hope this video was a great help to you. If you have any question regarding this whole process, please let me know in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day.